Hey everybody, Colin Reed here at MarineMax in Charleston on Daniel Island. Today I got a brand new arrival piece of inventory. It's the 2024 19 Montauk from Boston Whaler. As you can see, moving on the boat, we have an exterior color of light blue gel coat. That's paired nicely with the chrome graphics from Boston Whaler, along with the white rub rail with a stainless steel insert here. As we move inside the boat, we'll start at the bow. So this boat is equipped with the trolling motor plug. As you can see also, there's very nice bow cushions here that are easily removed and can be stowed away to turn this into a very nice casting platform. Great for fishing, entertaining. Also very nice that these are removable and stow away. That way, if you don't want to run with them, you don't have to. Very nice storage underneath here, along with storage underneath here as well. Typically, that'll be your anchor locker storage, but you can put whatever you want in there. If we move back, we have the cooler seat here from Boston Whaler. The boat is also equipped with a powder-coated T-top option. We move back. As we do move back, I'd like to point out the teak addition on the 19 Montauk, along with this tackle storage here. As we move to the helm, Boston Whaler paired with Simrad. We do have our 9-inch Simrad here, very nicely equipped for this boat. All of our toggle switches here with our courtesy lights, bilge pump. We do have the JL audio speaker system. Very nicely equipped, more than enough for this boat. We do have our rod holders up here. Very great for stowing the fishing rods out of the way. As we move into the helm seat here, this is adjustable, whether you want to face aft or forward. Underneath, we do have our live well. You can see the light blue inside. That does signify the live well from Boston Whaler. Move to the back. Boat is equipped with a 150 Mercury. And also we do have two very nice seats here for people that are riding along as well. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for taking a look at the 2024 19 Montauk from Boston Whaler with me. If you have any questions, please come see us at our location on Daniel Island or give us a call at 843-747-1889.